Cream of Nature's exotic shine color with argan oil provides nourishing, bold color while keeping the hair shiny and healthy. The collection has 11 beautiful colors, and today I'm going with Ginger Blonde. First, I'll start by opening the Cream Color Developer application cap and the High Lift Booster. Next, I'll pour the High Lift Booster onto the Cream Color Developer and shake thoroughly until it's blended. Then I'll add the hair color to the Cream Hair Color Developer and shake. Okay, now let's get started. I'll first part my hair into 4 sections. I will then apply the color to dry, stretched hair. Apply the color to the mid, shaft, and the ends. After you apply the color to each section, let it sit and process for 10 to 15 minutes. After you allow the hair to process for about 10 to 15 minutes, apply it to the scalp and the roots. Work the color mixture into a foam so that each strand is thoroughly covered. Let it process for an additional 20 minutes. Total processing time shouldn't exceed 30 minutes. Now, I'll treat my hair with Creme of Nature Plex Breakage Defense. This 3-step strengthening system is perfect for using after color on your hair. It's formulated with strength-building key ingredients proven to help protect hair on the inside out. The Breakage Defense system reduces damage and breakage for a noticeable difference you can see and feel after just one use. The Plex Bond Mender pre-treatment is the first step to the system. It reinforces, protects, and maintains healthier hair bonds, fuels each strand with long-lasting strength, and helps reduce damage and breakage for longer and stronger hair. To use, apply a generous amount to dry or wet hair. Thoroughly saturate the entire head. Wait about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'll rinse out the Bond Mender and shampoo using the Plex Breakage Defense shampoo. This shampoo removes impurities and buildup while restoring hair to a healthier state. The last and final step in the system is the Plex Restoring Conditioner. This conditioner will moisturize and improve the appearance of dry, damaged strands. Now that my hair is colored, I am in love. It's so bold, so shiny. It's absolutely beautiful. Yes.